Samsung has provided one of their greatest displays to the iPhone 14 Pro, with a large practice of 2000 nits. It even left behind the S22 Ultra, but Samsung is again regaining dominance. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will boast the finest display we've ever seen on a Galaxy smartphone. According to recent reports, the maximum brightness of the S23 Ultra's display might be beyond 2200 nits, indicating that Samsung intends to outperform the iPhone 14 Pro Max in terms of brightness. It's also been said that the Galaxy S23 Ultra screen consumes 45% less power than its predecessor, resulting in significantly improved battery life. The display expert for XDA Developers Thailand claims that the Galaxy S23 Ultra may not yet grab the crown since the OLED emitters used in both displays are similar and the peak brightness tests done by Samsung and Apple are different. This implies that the S23 Ultra Trump might have the same level of brightness as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, despite the fact that it has a special edition chip that will elevate things to a whole new level. The latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chips in the Galaxy S23 Ultra may not only provide the finest performance but also a significant improvement in power efficiency. ICE Universe has shared the benchmark test of the recently launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 taken from Vivo X90 Pro Plus, apparently the first device to have the B Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip in comparison with Galaxy S22 Ultra running an Exynos 2200 chipset, and you can see that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has definitely improved results on the kickband test compared to Exynos 2200. This indicates that the GPU performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on this S23 Ultra has increased by 60%, and it will have up to 88% higher power efficiency. Google is assisting Samsung in developing a better chipset. For those who are unaware, Samsung has halted using its Exynos chipset in their flagship handsets till 2025. Now, Samsung and Google have a strong relationship over the years, and Samsung is assisting Google in making a custom Tensor chip for the Google Pixel series. The Tensor chipset aren't the best out there by any means, but they are quite good at artificial intelligence, and it appears that's where Google is giving its expertise to Samsung. Google is the AI king. Therefore, this is fantastic news for the future of Samsung chipsets. Let's wait and see what this relationship has in store for Galaxy phones till 2025. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.